Today I'll walk you through how to create a dashboard with filters in Jira, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up a personalized dashboard so you can efficiently track your projects and tasks. Let's dive right in. First, open your Jira dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your projects and tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Next, navigate to the Filters section. You can do this by selecting filters and then choosing Search Issues, or you can opt for View All Issues. This is where you'll start to refine the data you want to display on your dashboard. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the functionality remains the same. Now, you have two options for filtering your issues. You can either use the basic dropdowns provided or write a JQL query. For example, you might enter a query like project equals myproj and status equals in progress. This flexibility allows you to tailor your view to your specific needs. Think of it as customizing a recipe to suit your taste. Once you've set your filter, click on Save As at the top left. Here, you'll need to give your filter a name that makes sense to you, and then click Save. This step is crucial as it allows you to easily access this filter later on. Now, let's move to the top menu bar. Click on More, or you can select Dashboards. This will take you to the area where you can create your new dashboard. It's like opening a blank canvas for your project management masterpiece. Next, click on Create Dashboard. This is where the fun begins. You'll need to fill out the dashboard details. Start by entering a name for your dashboard. You can also add an optional description to provide context. Finally, set the access permissions for viewers and editors, choosing between options like private, project, or organization. This ensures the right people have access to your dashboard, similar to inviting guests to a party based on their interests. After you've filled in all the necessary details, click Save. Congratulations! You've just created a dashboard with filters in Jira. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.